If you want to find a cabin air filter in a Honda CR-V 2012, 2014, and I think 2016 also, you need to look inside the glove box. And to open this glove box, first of all, you need to unhook this holder. To do this, you just need to press firmly here, and this holder will be unhooked. So just take it out a little bit. And then what you need to do, you need to press a little lightly on the walls and press them both inside. After that, you will be able to lower the glove box, and here inside you see the box with the air filter, and it has two locks here and here. On that side you just press these plastic locks inwards and take this cover out. Here is the filter, so you just need to take it out carefully, and here you are. When you insert this filter, make sure that the airflow arrow faces downwards. After you inserted the filter, all you need to do is to put back this plastic cover and just press it firmly in order to fixate the locks. You just take the glove box up, press these walls a little bit inside so they come in. Now your glove box is in place, but don't forget about this hook. You need to take it out a little bit and just put it in its initial place. That's it.